Hello, welcome to Video Jaguar's Video Studio FX tutorial. If you just purchased Video Jaguar, congratulations, we're glad to have you. And if you are on the fence, hopefully this video teaches you a little bit more about the Video Studio FX module, which is basically an online video editor. And you can see this is the home screen where you would log on to Video Studio FX. And it's a super simple software. You can uh, basically have a video you've already created. So that's what you're doing with this software. So you're going to have a video that you already created, so you can use that video and make more adjustments to it with this Create tab. You can merge many videos together into one with a soundtrack or no soundtrack, and that's again a very quick little feature. And then obviously the video speed changer, so you can speed them up, slow them down, whatever you have. So these two are pretty self-explanatory, so we're not going to have to go into those, but let's start with this create video. So start now. And for this example, I'm just going to use like a HD video, royalty-free one that I downloaded from Pixabay, I believe. So select video, and we will okay, let's see here. All right. I believe this is just a stock video that looks like there's buildings and a globe. And I think once you play it, it'll start turning. Well, let's see here. Yeah, so basically that's what it is. So we can change the background on it. You can have a black background, white, or blur, aspect ratio. You can see the square video, which you'll probably want to use. This 916 is like, a vertical video for like Facebook and Instagram stories. So for this, let's just keep it at square. Zoom, you can fit everything or fill everything. So there's no borders. But yeah, I think we can do that. And obviously the background up here, do whatever. I like the blur effect though. That's pretty cool. Position, I don't think we really need to mess with that, but let's say these two things are create an overlay or add a watermark. Let's see, what's the watermark? Okay, dun, dun, dun. Getting to this tab, it opened up. So this is the add a watermark tab where yeah, you can basically do all sorts of things down here. Put a filter on it. There's all sorts of stuff down here. Sharpen it. Resize, crop, draw. So you can say anything. So We can draw on it. We'll do the undo. Cancel. Do shapes. So say rectangle. Check that out. So we can actually make this rectangle like a bottom border, stretch it all the way to the end, apply, color, put any color on there you wish. For this, let's do green. And obviously you can put text, like a text box here, which oops, keep that back down there. Oh, add text. So for this, let's make it white. You can edit it. Let's say like www.yourbrand.com. And let's make it smaller. Put it right here. Change the font to whatever. Permanent marker. Apply. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we're just messing around with the features. You can put stickers on here as well. You got all the emoticons, you got doodles, landmarks, stars, clouds, bubbles, transportation. Let's go do landmark. See what's that. So you got a couple cool things to choose from. Go back, doodles. So let's use a plane. That's pretty cool. So we got a plane down there. So this is all for whatever you want to do. And obviously this will be your own video with whatever. So this is all just example purposes. I didn't apply it. That's one thing you got to remember. Let's go back and doodles. I'm glad I'm doing this on the tutorial because hopefully you can learn from my mistake I just did. So once you like it, you gotta click apply. So don't forget to do that. Okay. So yeah, I mean, you can see that there's all these sorts of features down here. You just play with them as much as you want. I mean, we can keep doing this if you want to. Actually, we can. Let's go with the shape again. Arrow. Check this out. Like, if you really want to get with it, like, we can do it like that. You can make it as big as you want. Say apply. Color. Let's go with red. apply. You can even change the colors of the plane. I think that's fun. Your brand. You can do all sorts of things. So basically, yeah, we're just going to keep it like this for right now. I mean, this is an example purpose, but once you're done, you obviously just click done.